So today we will be going to the bowling alley. So as a chopper, you know it go. We have to go out there right now. I'm not a chopper, but I don't know the song is called As a Chopper. So if I go out there right now, I'm going to see a little bit of what I go and see so far. So we just reach one place near Somerville. I go in there right now. Okay, it's my first time again. I'm going to show them part and what it look like. So them gang up and win 2 look free game and feel like this thing. But I say Augustine was a good experience. Never actually did it. Very nice. So we're supposed to go bumper cat now, isn't it? Yeah. I'll take a tour in a little kiddies area. So I have a buzz still, kind of big, bigger than I expect, loud, right now. So my sister basically I came on a tour with. My next stop I'm gonna be in a different state, so I spend some time together before we go. This place is quite huge, and I think we can walk out the whole night, show the walk. I like it so far, you know.
Okay, we'll play this and reveal the real team. I want her to play that I don't take one time and make one money.
This is a place I know if you take your money, you know, because the amount of things there to do. It's crazy. It's crazy. Over there, so I try to find out what to do because too much things there to do.
Masih
put this in my grandma ear,
While mama still hungry, when you say you want the breadwinner, do all your eye back to see. I try to keep it up. Them news scammer, you love chat. Post everything. Big idiot. Don't trust them, don't trust them either. Them out me hook and know who fit track.
Drop! Another pocket, no. Wait, somebody have to talk about this. This is actually an automated waiter, waitress, whichever. It's actually the very first time I see it, and it is fully automated. It what them do, them actually put in the table and the lane, and it goes exactly there. As you can see, it carry some pizza and some stuff to the specific table, talk about it business, and it play it own song them. Right, so it all a pass now, and it will see you, it read your mood, and then it just play a song for you and just go about it business. If you're in that way, it will stop and come out your way, so that is a plus. Yeah, man. But still, it will put enough people out of a job. So, me I walk with this a while ago. Everybody seemed like surprised seeing this type of stabilizer I have. Watch out. Watch out. So everybody seemed surprised with the stabilizer I have. First, the security stopped me. So you think he might tell me some I can't video, but him want to know more about the stabilizer I have. I said the first him actually I see one like it, you see. Then now some kids stop me and say, yo, this looks crazy, man. What's up? Let me see what he can do. And I'm show them and see him surprised me, I don't know. And then I go up on some robot. I carry food instead of waitress. But it's kind of a vibe still for no self. I have something where even the Americans are fascinated over it, isn't it? Like, it's crazy how them stop me every minute I want to see it, and them like the whole AI tracking, when I show them what they can do and thing. And it's a vibe. But when I get back to Ramon now, because I'm going to try out the whole of this sitting them in it. So I know I go home in time now. Great experience. Very, very great experience. I love this one. You see me? Love this one. Great experience. I'll go there again. You see me? When I get for going on another local thing, my sister is going on. I don't want to run the entire patrol. You see me? But get to see the robot with Rachel them. Walk it out as you see that. So it's been a great night. I don't know, next journey, New York City. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I do this to my daughter, I do this to the family, I do it for the people I support from a long time. As I say, travel with the Levys. You know, we're outside. Have a good night.